matter what go on, you have to support it. Remember, you know, anything at all we go on social media. All when another artist not get bashing. As a Gaza blogger, you still have to bash them once the Gaza no support them. But sometimes they not deserve bashing. Where Alkaline fi get bash for. Where Massacre fi get bash for. Where Bounty Killer fi get disrespect for. Where Beanie Man fi get disrespect for. And all the other artists them we get.
A few moments later.
Some people, Vybz Kartel same realize same haters them. When my troll on social media are all broke. Vybz Kartel, before you even start troll, you know say them broke already. Damn! So, we can clearly see that Vybz Kartel in them feelings. Vybz Kartel say him rich and him no care about what people say. But yet still, everything what you say about Vybz Kartel on the media get under him skin.
Jesus, please! This like, no man! No man!
MC Nuffy post a video with one brother. I don't really know that brother still. I don't really know him. But basically the brother say J Progress at the face of bad mind.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Wagwan people. But J Progress back at it again. Bird season. Yo, Jaja dog, imagine. I'm telling you already, anybody will rise against Alkaline. Trust me. On the days forwarding. You understand? So you don't know J Progress up on the next series. You understand? Yeah man. J Progress say, yo, Media Fox soon forward back, you know. Yeah man, let's give them a break, make them feel like them get way. You understand? Yeah man, because I see enough of them a ball and I call Media Fox name, you know. But me not ready for them yet. We'll leave them for your next season. You understand? Yeah man, you know Media Fox go to work. What we say? Content. You understand? Yeah man, foot in them neck man. We not ease them up. We not ease them up. You understand? But you don't know Media Fox go to work already. People, I'm here to entertain the people them. You understand? Big up all of my supporters. Big up all of my haters. Cause look here, I'm gonna tell you this people. I love me haters them. I them motivate Media Fox every day. Remember, you know, I them a watch me video them, you know. I them a type in a comment, you know, about Media Fox way. Yeah man, go on man. Support the movement. You understand? Me can't hate me haters. Me can't hate them. No, I them a support me. You understand? And you have me real supporters them with dead with me. You no matter what day and what season. You understand? Big up on yourself, me soon I come in. So people, let J Progress start the series.
Gaza fans them. I'm not tired. Me I wonder if I know I'm not tired. The amount of comment on the get SYM and B stick. We not realize by now, say J Progress not really getting them feelings by comment. I am a content creator. I am used to thousands of comments a day. Whether it go be on TikTok or YouTube. I am used to that. And you also as a content creator are used to good or bad comment. When you do social media, you can't do social media with feelings. If you're thin skin, social media is not for you. And at this me I explain to you. I'm saying this already to the Gaza fans them. You see for me, SYM, you guys are basically encouraging me to speak my mind. You understand me I say?
Yo, that's one of the best reply now. So people, the SYM, you know what it mean? Speak my mind. You understand? Yeah. SYM, I don't know, mother thing again. Speak my mind. I that's what I tell you right now.
So if you're going to say to me, say, speak your mind. What do you expect me to do? That's what you're basically telling me. And then you're going to see another comment and I'm going to say GSYM. You basically say J Progress. Go and speak your mind, you. You see me I say? So sometimes we don't encourage a person without not even understanding it. Because what you guys interpret on the Gaza is not what the same thing other people interpret outside of the Gaza. And another thing again. Yes, I used to be a Gaza blogger. But me cannot manage the Gaza system. Because me can't be biased in my blogging. And to be a Gaza blogger, you have to be biased. Because all if Kartel wrong, you have to give him right. And no matter what go on, you have to support it. Remember, you know, anything at all we go on the social media. All when another artist not get bashing. As a Gaza blogger, you still have to bash them once they...
And that is facts. That's why you see people, me have to rate Alkaline say Alkaline is not that artist to be putting out a lot of content out there and showing private life out there on the internet where him don't know one day something might happen and all. That's why I'm glad for that. I'm glad say I'm music. You understand? I'm glad because it'll be a different environment. You see it, so I'm glad for that. So we there and we are focused on the music. Yeah, man, may the haters just call the name, man. Keep the artist relevant. You understand? Yeah, man, so I'm just glad. Guys, let me tell you this. You have the control of people criticizing you, you know. If you don't want nobody say anything, don't put it out on the media. You understand? If you keep your thing in your house privately, nobody would know what's going on and they would have nothing to say. But no, because you love the attention, yeah, you go put things out there, and then now when people start talking, you go say them bad mind and them hate you because you're rich. No, I know so it go. Check how much big dancehall artists giant in a game you ever see a show them private light out there like every day. Them not doing it, so nobody now have nothing to talk about with them. You understand? I just saw the internet, people see things, them I go talk. That's it.
As and support them. But sometimes they don't deserve bashing. Where Alkaline get bashed for. Where Massacre get bashed for. Where Bounty Killer get disrespect for. Where Beanie Man get disrespect for. And all the other artists them will get disrespect right across the board. It don't make sense. Me hear man out here tell artists to go suck them mother. Tell artists this, tell artists that, call artists Batman, all kind of something. No, brother. Me no blog that type of way there. You don't notice in my blogging. You never notice. You go joke about me blogging them and tell me how much man me I tell if you suck them mother. You go joke about me blogging them and ask how much bad word me I cuss and beating. Me no blog that way they come in no need to do that.
And that's facts. That me I try to tell the people. Me no go in a comment section and type SYM. But it's like me no so invest in it, like nobody on the internet no touch my feelings. So like if me go tell them say yo, me no know, me just can't do it, people. Me the facts can't do it. You understand? It's like me just feel like say yo brother, this a waste of time. You understand? Me no know how them do it, like 50 SYM in a comment. You go enter that where you call you enter that train SYM. Brother, like oh man, imagine some people when I understand the abbreviation. I wonder what this. You understand? We don't have time. We don't have to diss no artist. Me not this artist. We just start the truth. You understand? And the reaction to reality. You understand? We don't need for this no artist. We just talk what we see in the media and put our opinion to it. We not this artist. We not tell artists about SYM. You understand? Remember, you know, are we there? We are put in the work. Are we are put food on our table? Are we are pay our own bills? Artists not do nothing. You understand? We just there and attack and we build with fans. You understand? I just that. So the SYM thing, I think that just weak. Yeah, when you don't have nothing to say, you just say that.
Remember, I know, TikTok is not on my only platform. I'm telling you already. J Progress Entertainment is not just a name. It is a business. You go check on Google and type in J Progress Entertainment Limited and see what come up. So me can't follow some little man and make nice out here in a blogging. Me run a business. But still, if me have to criticize a man, now get criticized. I mean, now if you do it in a derogatory way, to make me, when me a say connect. Because I know if you get my message across. Me see Gaza man never joke 25 video. Video with me about Alkaline, video with me about Massacre, video with me about Remember, I was a Gaza blogger. You don't forget that. And as a Gaza blogger, anybody with the Gaza no good with you have to burn them. Whether it's wrong or whether it's right. I just a system. But guess what? Me too fear and unbiased for in our system where you need to be biased to be a blogger for them. This is why J Progress is an independent blogger and I'm going to remain an independent blogger. And being an independent blogger, you know what the joy of that? You can always be fair, you can always be honest, and you can always be unbiased, and you can blog about any artist you want, whether you want blog good or you want blog bad. Blogger.
I see the thing is that you can rate an artist and still be neutral same way, you know. Because to be honest, if the artist actually do something wrong, where you can say Ray in a this era and in a this time, you if you rate the artist hour, you still can come talk the truth. Nothing wrong with that. You understand? You still can come talk the truth. If me say the artist do something really wrong, yeah, we can talk about it. You understand? But if we say yo, alright, that, we're not going to Ray, but if the artist just do something wrong, remember you know, Alkaline no depend on the media. So we don't know what him do. If he say him wrong or do this or way. You understand? Him just put out him songs them. It's just all about understanding and reality. You see me? A lot of people bash Alkaline when him saying at the song. But the thing is that some of them, you can see them now no understanding when it come to comprehension. You understand? Yeah, them not understand. Them just listen something and don't understand it and just run with it. Yo, this way. That is the problem. You understand? So, I just one of them thing there. You see me? Remember when Keznam they win the Grammy, Vybz Kartel was nominated as well. So, through Keznam they get it. See? Remember I know? Nobody don't know the album where Kartel drop. Nobody don't know Keznam the album. But the video them destroy the youth. I say, yo, who the youth and nobody don't know him. This and that. Kartel fought from prison. Ray. Grammy should have given it. Cause look what him do for Ray. Them couldn't just congratulate the youth. You understand? I just saw them stay. It's not about the music. It's about the hype and the clout. That is the problem, and that's what destroy the culture. You understand? Because when we're supposed to build up the artists them and show them. We might forward out and talk about Massacre and in performance. And I beat Massacre. Sometimes I try to make people understand, say, yo, do this and this so you can improve on your performance. So you can go out there, go represent for dancehall. Massacre have good songs and every little thing. But me just feel like, say, them hype him up too much, them feel comfortable with himself when him go up on the stage. Him just, in himself, yo, the song a hit. So when him sing it now, it no hit. The people them now react to it. I just one of them thing there. And I just reality. When we talk out here, I just for the artist to better, you know. I no bring down, you might see that bring down because on the mind react to toxic. You understand? We just want the artist to do better. Because I represent for dancehall, him young. You see it? I want him go up there represent and the people them stand up on him and I wonder, yo, other artists are from dance. You understand? You know what I mean, people?
I will implore you guys, the best thing you can do, be an independent blogger and don't pick the side. Believe when me telling you that. Some people, Vybz Kartel say realize same haters them when my troll on social media are all broke. Vybz Kartel, before you even start troll, you know say them broke already. You already didn't know that. And me don't know where you find time as a rich man to even troll broke people. Why do you care so much? What a little blogger want to say, or a little selector want to say, or a little two selector want to say, and them broke are hungry? Why do you care, Vybz Kartel? You know what the problem is? You want to be so perfect that you cannot sit and angle somebody criticizing you. You think everybody will just love and rate you, and everybody who have a little influence, you can buy them out and them are going in your favor. But life don't really work like that, especially social media.
And that's facts. You see, I don't think Vybz Kartel, you know, him lock up for 13 years, him found out. Him have to catch up and realize society. You understand? Him just feel like him do things and get away with it, like maybe like back then, but in this world is a different world. You understand? And the whole world I see it now. So right now, I guess he want everybody to just see things and you know nobody not for say nothing. And but Vybz Kartel just thin skin, you know. I just him that. I just remember when Vybz Kartel fall from prison, people must say, yo, see them this and see them a gesture. The way how him no want it look bad. Remember, you know, you as a superstar are according to what him say. You don't have to respond to the people him. You understand? So it's something where me can be at that level. And whatever people say, me must have to come give them a reply. But now I have to do that. Because for you reply, you know, that means that it really mash up your brain, you know. Yeah, man, it have to mash up your brain. For every time somebody says something and me see people, me a vlog, and people in a comment. Me not need that. Me not even remember about that. They told me I drop content like, you understand? Me just drop content. Me not have no time for you no comment that. I see people that do this other meds that. You understand? Me might drop all 10 video and I want SY, me not one of them. Me not even remember about them. You see me, it's just that, me don't know. Vybz Kartel, him just a be him. You understand? Him just a be him. You see it, him can't really, him not used to them thing. Them used to people just hype him up and all of them little thing there. Because remember when him there yard, it was different. But now, him there in Florida, you know, him kind of depend on a lonely road. Him not really have the same man them where they around him for hype him up. So when him there foreign, you know, he's like, yo, Jano, I have to reply to them people, you know, this, that. You see me, because him want people talk about him, so him going to try to reply, try to do this, and you see me, you don't need to explain anything. You see me, but it shows say, yo, the skin does thin, and You know, once it's skin thin, anything can cut it. You understand?
Social media is a controversial space. Vybz Kartel, you are known as one of the master of controversy, right? In the music industry. But you still have people out here who are known as master of controversy in a social media. There's a lot you missed, Vybz Kartel, when you were in prison. The game changed, and one of youth have able to take buyout, but enough youth now go take it. Remember, before you go to prison, a regular ghetto youth can't buy a GLE. Or a X6 or a X4. No, look at Jamaica. I be a Benz, Beamer, everything, regular youth them. Some of them just a choppy line and do them thing and live them best life. The game change. And now every youth take buyout nowadays. And not because when a person come and have them opinion of you, means them bad mind you. That's not the case. That would mean say everybody who have an opinion of anybody else in a better position than them, bad mind them. All the bloggers from the Gaza who have an opinion of massacre, bad mind massacre. All the bloggers from the Gaza who have an opinion of Alkaline, bad mind Alkaline. All the bloggers from the Gaza who have an opinion of popcorn, bad mind popcorn. And the list goes on and on and on. Or is it a case where the only person who somebody can bad mind is you, Vybz Kartel?
And that is it. That is it. It's like when other people talk about other artists, it's not bad mind. Oh, and riches and this and that. But guys, look at them rich man out there, Elon Musk, when him just Vegas or whatsoever, man own Amazon. Look how much rich guy out there. Like, people criticize them every day. You understand? Them man they don't have time for watch with people as MG. Them man they have millions of business or investment for about than for about. I look at one man in a comment and all them thing MG. You understand? Yeah man, only when you're thin skin man, them thing they get to you. You understand? So I just one of them thing the people.
It's actually funny. Vybz Kartel, you're a big man, a rich man, man. Focus on your music and greatness. Now focus on who you say broke or hungry. And whatever them say shouldn't be that important to you. We warrant you to always give a response. Whether it's a subliminal one or not. Come on no man. And you say it, you know man. Rich people don't have that time there. Believe. So, we can clearly see that Vybz Kartel in his feelings. Vybz Kartel say him rich and him not care about what people say. But yet still, everything what you say about Vybz Kartel on the media get under him skin. Vybz Kartel a little bit thin skin for a rich man, you know. You're a little bit too thin skin for a rich man. You're a public figure, Vybz Kartel. You put everything about your life out there on social media. Your lifestyle, your relationship, everything you put out there on social media. Then why in the back of your head you think you're so invincible that nobody out here in social media will have opinion of you or will criticize you? Everybody else get it. You may run a lot of things in a Vybz Kartel, but you will never run social media. Social media, somebody run it this week, somebody run it next. That's how social media work.
Yeah man, same like how Fambo. And the thing is that, you know, Fambo run it musically. And him run it internetly. You understand if you know what I mean? See, so look at now, Fambo have him little song, yellow light, purple light, yellow light, go. You understand? And him have him little video, them him little skit, them and do him little thing. You understand? That's the internet, things don't see. Remember we usually there, when you MySpace, then we go, then we have Facebook, then we have Snapchat, then we have Instagram. Now for Instagram with the TikTok now. Nothing no stay for too long. The trending don't stay for too long. Everything have an expiry date, even your own life. You understand? Yeah, man. So, nobody now go stay forever just run the internet like half 1 year. No. I know so it go. You have people who get this at time of 15 minutes. Yeah, so it go. So, I don't know. I just one of them things. But yes, because Vybz Kartel always I make him look a post and everything and re. So, people are going to talk much and much. You see me? Yeah, but I know. On that bigger scale. It's like how Fambo mash up a place, I know. With song and him re. Yeah, Fambo have a place away. You see it?
That's why even the like of TikTok and all these things, it's not entertainers running it. It's the like of Rosalie, Jaden, them and all them kind of ones are run it. Because it's not under the kind of control there. And once you put your life out there in social media, you put it out there for critics. Look at all the other entertainers, they don't do it. And that's why the critics is limited. No. Vybz Kartel say underachievers are 18 and overachievers. The problem is, as an overachiever, you should even be looking down so much on underachievers to care what they think about you. You should care zero. But Vybz Kartel recent reactions to everything when post and all of that, it tell you Vybz Kartel care a lot about what broke underachievers are saying. How could broke underachievers words mean so much to you? How could it be getting under your skin that much? Vybz Kartel. Why do I sense that you're a very insecure man? It always says, the persons who have the most confident, deep down they are the most insecure. Vybz Kartel, you're a rich man. In a real life, you know if you have no business at all, we broke people are say about you. Believe.
You know, sir, Bob Marley once says, when him ask the question about riches, you know what Bob Marley say? Fame life is riches. So, say it for say, Vybz Kartel have him house them, him carry them and everything. Right? Maybe that make him look rich, but maybe his mindset is not. Because the thing is that if me rich, like say me reach Vybz Kartel riches, seeing, me not have time for meds the people I say. Although I wouldn't showcase my life like that. But I don't care what people say. Same like how me there and me a vlog and people say something in I comment, me not really meds them. You understand? Me just go about my business. You see, but that wouldn't get to me. Me I tell you, it wouldn't get me than a focus. Me have a lot of things to deal with. Would have shows, would have next business. And them things me I put my family, all of them look things. Me not have time for people in a comment. You understand? Yeah, man, how people I say. You see, because remember now, are the things where you give your energy to. You see it? Especially when you're not gain from it. You see me? Because Vybz Kartel answer to people, I'm not gaining from that. Them are gain. You understand? Because if nobody don't know them, him doing that, them are gonna know him, know them now. You understand?
So guys, me there on a bro's Instagram. And when me a bro's Instagram, and this me see, MC Nuffy post a video with one brother. I don't really know that brother still. I don't really know him. But basically the brother say, J Progress at the face of bad mind. My bad mind Vybz Kartel. Brother, Vybz Kartel a superstar. J Progress is a blogger. Me don't know how funny bad mind or what kind of bad mind could have nothing to do with Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel tell me all the time, him rich. Him not have no time for broke people. So how me bad mind in Vybz Kartel can impact Vybz Kartel? You basically assure me say this little blogger is very impactful, But at the same time, he will reach Me don't tell you what reach And it come like you don't realize. You used to jump on every blogger and make them run and go hide. So me did have to show the Gaza so me can shake up the Gaza and break down all Gaza defense and make man running from anywhere on the Gaza and the social media space and demolish Because you have that bully mentality there and bully every blogger and bully anybody at all who say anything to criticize Vybz Kartel. So me did have to be that blogger there where we used to wreck Gaza and everybody know that there's a lot of videos out there to show where J Progress used to wreck the Gaza. And you know and me know say me was the toughest blogger the Gaza ever see. Because anybody we say anything about the Gaza used to get deal with. This is how me make video. And this are some man we never did even need for this. Me not no reason for this them. When you don't know see a Gaza thing. From them violate the Gaza, you have to jump out. But guess what? Me get to realize say me can't work under them kind of system there. If you use about this man, you need to know where you are this in for. You see me? So now the problem with Uno is that Uno when tell Uno self say Uno can cancel J Progress and correct J Progress. But when me can Uno know and show Uno say my blogging game different, everybody start ball. CMC enough here. Madsus run out and tell me say thank God for TikTok and all these kind of things. But me not think it fear cause here what go on, I mean I'll tell you this. Mr. Ricky Trooper forward and I make him chat. The Gaza defense dismantle. And me alone do that. Me could have do that, but me have to show you say I saw me blogging game set. Me not have to out here do 100 more video because me done cripple the Gaza defense already.
You know what, people? One thing me have to say. From Vybz Kartel fall from prison and start buy up the Rolls Royce and buy up a bag of house. More I know. When me never hear nobody when them talk about the richest set among them in the world. Me never hear nobody say a bad mind, the man. Me never hear that. Look how much you rich people. Me see people talk about leeching. Zine. Me see people talk about a lot of people in the space. And I don't know. We're rich. Me never hear people say, yo, people bad mind when them talk about them, So wait, you're telling me that Vybz Kartel are the richest in the world? And that more I know. Cause me know people talk about richer man than him. But me never hear them say something about bad mind yet. Me not understand. Is what? When people talk the truth, right? Oh, dream rich, so you have bad mind for talk the truth. Me not understand this. Shaggy rich, Sean Paul rich, Alkaline rich, Massacre rich. Oh, maybe it's because them not sure the bag of house them buy or the bag of car. Yeah, them not rich. None at all. I think the bad mind thing there, it just not accurate. I don't know people. What do you think?
Anybody can run in on the Gaza right now. And this man could know about social media. Right now, nobody on social media not afraid to say nothing about the Gaza. I'm afraid don't not come in the comment section come say. SYM, speak your mind. Gaza vocabulary and the general vocabulary different. SYM, speak your mind. GSYM, go and speak your mind. How no interpret things in the Gaza. The general public interpret different. Full no mindset different. That is why I feel like say nobody no criticize Vybz Kartel. I say nothing. I have no opinion of Vybz Kartel. MC Nuffy. I don't even think me have to add no more beating to the Gaza. Cause when I done on the attack already. Remember what me do and me alone do it. So me no need to join no fight with no man. Right now me see foot type of beat to no bad. Me can't just sit down and watch. Would that be wickedness for me still? I beat the Gaza right now. It don't make no sense. Me done cripple the defense them already. That's why everybody are running in. Brother, we no never did need to go there so brother. We no never did need to go there so. We no now go able to bully everybody out here upon the media. Whether upon the media in a real life. So basically what? Everybody will talk sitting bad about Vybz Kartel. What we not go do? We not go shoot them. We not go stab them up. We not go beat them. If upon the media them do, we not go to take down them channel, report them channel like when we report my channel 100 million times. We not go thief them page. We not care. We not do. How long we not go continue to do that? We not have to understand say if Vybz Kartel in the public domain, like every other artist where uno criticize and tear down, Vybz Kartel go get the same thing. I just all the thing go. It's either we no deal with it or we no can't deal with it, or Vybz Kartel just come off of social media because I saw social media set. MC Nuffy. Don't blame me. Them say them me need to show them who me is as a blogger and me show them why everybody a ball now. Remember when you tell me say me and nobody in a blogging game. Remember me tell you no say me can shake up the Gaza and cripple its defense in a social media. Make everybody run go hide. Don't blame me. I won't cast it on myself.
Yeah man. Remember you know, nothing really having much to do right now cause you know Vybz Kartel no really have the bag of show them like that like last year. So him no really get no work. So I kinda understand say him just want to hop on the train, yeah, if you try to get some little viral moment. But Nuffy, you just come like a table. If nobody know you use MG, you're nothing. You understand? Yeah man. You bring down the most set of people, the most set of artists. You see me? And you never know say one day you must not end up with a career. Cause you bring the way you deal with Keznam, the way win the Grammy with the and deal with Grammy. Me tell you now already. The energy the way we forward out, yeah man. You see what going? And no, you can't go back to US. Sometimes when you just see certain things and allow it, and the things them want to fight and bring to people, it will backfire upon uno. You understand? Yeah man. So I just want them the thing they Nuffy. You see it? Just go and focus on your work, my G, and wait for the next cartel bookings. You understand? Yeah man. So people, big up on yourself when you don't know one media facts on the app. You see it? Mad thing. That is it.